Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another haul. So a few things came in today that I just wanted to share with you because I think some of them are kind of cool. So this is these are stainless steel head pins, I guess, or pins. And the reason why I got it is to make, what are they called? Glue, like the glue pins to like so your glue doesn't clog up, but I wanted to decorate it. But I wanted to make sure it was stainless steel and I wanted it to be a pretty good size. So that's why I ordered that. I got that off of Amazon. I also got this off of Amazon. This is actually from KS Crafts, and it's the sentiments. So it's actually a pretty good deal because you get, I think, kind of a lot. And Christian always features this on her video. I mean, on her videos. But they have a bunch of different sentiments, and they're already like pre-cut strips. I think they're stickers, and you get this many. So you get it on white and you get it on black. So I thought that I would just get some because I have like the Tim Holtz ones, but it's good to have different types of sentiments. So got that, and then I finally got in the Game Boy and the Vc Vhs tape. So the Game Boy, you can, I think, make a shaker out of it using this piece right here. And I've been waiting for this one for a really long time. And then this is the VHS tape. So if you are really young, you will not know what I'm talking about. But we used to actually tape on these or buy them preloaded with like movies and stuff. And that's how we used to do it before. So I got that. And then these, okay, so this, I saw it on Denise's channel, who is Solo Craft. Hi, Denise. So she found these really cute pencil containers. I think they might be lip gloss. Yeah, they're lip gloss containers. So you get a bunch. I don't even know how many are in here. 12 pack? No, must be more than that. Oh, no, maybe 12. Okay. So they're really cute. So you can just break this off. Use, I think, like wire cutters work good. And then she has a tutorial on how to attach a charm, like a loop, so you can attach a charm. I need to get like a Dremel or something. But anyway, I thought that was really cute. So I got that. And then while I was there, I don't know if she showed these, but I saw these as well. And these are super adorable. They are like popsicle charms. It's the same thing. It's a lip. How do you pull it off? How do I pull it off? Oh, you have to twist it. And then it's like it's for like lipstick. I mean, like lip gloss. But you can easily cut that off and make it like a container to hold like your sequence mixes and stuff. I thought it was super adorable. So then I saw Mimi, who did like a tutorial on how to make these like into like glitter keychains. So you can go watch her video as well. But I think she attached it this way, so I don't know if I would do that. But anyway, I thought the pencil one was really cute too, so I had to get those. And then this is the last thing I got. So this is actually, it looks like a hair straightener, but it's not. And I don't know if it's actually for hair. I don't think it is. I think it's for what I bought it for. So it's actually, it looks like a hair crimper. See how it's like not straight? And it's an iron. So when you heat it up, you can actually I think you can just heat up the cellophane bags and then make it look like candy or packaging. So that's why I wanted this one, because it had the crimping. I have a regular sealer, but I think that this is better for what I want to do. And I saw Bona do some packaging like that, and also Lonnie, who is Jimmy Lonnie here on YouTube. And so I really want to make something like that. I even bought the bags, but I wanted to try and use this tool instead. And it was really cheap. Like, I think it was maybe a little over $10. And it has a USB charger. So hopefully all of that. Oh, is it? Maybe it's not a USB. Good luck. It has a regular plug. Okay, it's a regular charger. Never mind. Anyway, so that is my haul of all the stuff that came in recently. And I also have a Happy Meal that I have to share, so I'll get back to you guys soon. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.